The 2 height of x is defined to be the greatest non-negative integer n such that 2 to the n is a factor of x. So the 2 height of x says that 2 to the n is a factor of x. That means it goes into it evenly with no remainder. Okay, if the 2 is the 2 height of k, so that would be k over 2 to the n, is that greater than the 2 height of m? So that's m over 2 to the n. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. Case 1, clue 1, k is greater than m. So I chose a value of 4 for k and 2 for m. So plug those in. K is 4. That would be 4 over 2 to the n. Well, that would mean that n would have to be 2, right? 2 squared, 4, we're going to 4 one time. And then 2 is m, plug 2 in for m. 2 over 2 to the n, that means n would have to be 1. So that's true. This one is greater than that one because I got 2 is greater than 1. But let's try some different values for k and m. Now k is still greater than m. I'm going to let k be 3 and I'm going to let m be 2 and I'm going to do the same thing again. So plug in 4 for k up here. 4 for k, that's going to be 4 over 2 to the n. Well, that means n has to be 2. Now I'm letting 2 be m. So 2 over 2 to the n. And 4, let me see, where have I messed up? 3 is greater than 2. Oh, I plugged in a 4 for some reason. Sorry, hold on. Okay, so 3, I'm letting k be 3. Sorry about that. K be 3. So that's going to be 3, 2 to the n. Well, 2 doesn't go into 3, so we're going to let n be 0 because 2 to the 0 is 1. And now we're going to let m be 2. So that's 2 over 2 to the n, and that gives me n equal 1. And 0 is less than 1. And over here, I got 2 is greater than 1. So I got conflicting cases. So clue 1 doesn't work. Now, k to the m is an even integer. So that means that k over m is 2 times some number. That's true for it to be even. Now multiply both sides by m and you get k equals 2mn. Now plug this in for k back up here. So I get 2nm over 2 to the m. Is that greater than m over 2 to the n? Your denominators are the same, and this is a larger numerator, so yes, this is true. So we have answered the question, yes. So clue 2 worked. The answer is B.